Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon community. I appreciate everyone clicking on today's video. For anyone that's new to my channel, my name is Araseli, and I'm on a budgeting journey to gain financial freedom and be debt-free. My overall goal is to learn how to spend and save money with the purpose and goals in mind. My channel includes all budgeting related, cash envelope stuffing videos, and as an added bonus, couponing videos, as I believe the two can go hand in hand to help you save more money. In my previous video, I had discussed how small habits can lead to big changes in your life. But today, I want to focus on recognizing some bad money habits in our life so that you can quit living poor. I've narrowed it down to 6 habits that I will be discussing today. Let's start off with the first habit, choosing convenience. Who would have thought we would see the day where we would be able to get food delivered to our home within minutes, or in some areas, get something shipped to your home within a couple of hours? And how many times are we reminded about the option of auto pay for our bills and debt expenses? While these options sound very convenient, it typically means you'll pay a higher cost in the long run. So always compare convenience versus cost. Was it really worth paying that extra cost to get food delivered to you? And how about the item you had shipped to your home within a couple of hours? Did you consider if it was a need or a want? Great questions to always keep in mind. Second habit, let's talk about getting comfortable with debt. And what I mean by this is buying groceries, paying for fuel, or paying a bill on credit. Now, I always grew up thinking that you had to buy things in cash. So if I didn't have enough cash, then I couldn't afford it. However, once I was introduced to credit cards, I slowly got comfortable with the concept of buy now, pay later. And I can see how this is keeping many of us, including myself, in a money cycle and keeping us in debt. Third habit, not having an emergency fund. I always tell individuals, expect the unexpected. For example, was that flat tire really unexpected? At one point or another, those unexpected expenses are to be expected. And if we don't plan ahead, then we're simply just creating unnecessary stress and anxiety in our life. Fourth habit, expensive lifestyle. Every day you'll find advertisements popping up on your phone and the media telling us what the newest and greatest styles and what's trending today. And it just simply plays on our emotions that retail therapy will help us feel happy. Avoid this temptation and don't make it a habit of keeping up with the latest trend, as a newer trend is right around the corner. Fifth habit, saving instead of investing. So let me ask you a question. If I gave you $1,000, what would you do with it? I myself would answer, save it for a rainy day. However, I've noticed nowadays more individuals would prefer to invest their money. And with inflation lately, I can see where saving money would not be the best option, as your money is just simply losing value every day. So consider this, investing some of your money by different avenues, such as the stock market, or better yet, invest in yourself through education or starting up your own business. There are so many opportunities to see your money grow instead of it just sitting in the bank losing value. Last but not least, habit number 6, not creating a budget for your money. Now, many individuals don't budget because they believe it will limit or change their current lifestyle and don't want anything telling them what to do with their money. But if you think about it, without a budget, your money is telling you what to do, what you can't afford, what vacation you can't take. I recommend thinking about it this way. A budget helps you tell your money what to do. By giving your money a purpose and goals, it will eliminate overspending and ensure your money is working for you. I've left a couple of links with a few videos on how to create a budget and the cash envelope system to get you started. And if interested in learning, just keep watching, as I will be budgeting my first paycheck for the month of March. Now, for anyone that's new to my channel, I budget by paycheck and utilize the cash envelope system to visually track all my income to the last dollar. Now, this month is going to be a good one for budgeting, as many of us will be receiving 3 paychecks for the month of March. So let's go ahead and get started with cash envelope stuffing my first paycheck of March. Starting off with the income category. This pay period only reflects my paycheck money of $1,250. So let's go ahead and start counting. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 51, 52, 250 brings it to 950. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So 240 is going to bring it to 1,190. 10, 20, 30, 40 brings it to 1,230. 5, 10, 15, 20 brings it to 1,250. Perfect. Alrighty, next is our bills category. Now, with any new month, always double check to see if any of your rates have changed. Luckily, my rates continue to stay the same for this month. So we're starting off with mortgage here is its usual $375. 100, 2, 3, 50, 75. Next is utilities. Now, I did notice a slight decrease, but I'm going to continue to budget 160. 150, 60. Next is internet. Have budget 20. Cell phone, budget 20. Under TV subscriptions, I have $10. Transportation for car payment, it's going to get its usual 100. And then for car insurance, $30. 20, 30. So that's going to go ahead and take care of the bills category. So what I'll do is I'll just put this money in the bills envelope until next paycheck, when it's time to take the money to the bank and pay bills online. Next is debt category. This pay period, each debt will get a minimum payment, and it's the second paycheck is when I make an extra payment to help reduce cost. So we'll start off with the loan here. It's going to get its usual 25. Next is the credit card for my city. It's going to get $50. And then next credit card is my Visa. It gets its minimum payment of $75. 50, 75. Alrighty, so that takes care of debt. Similar to the bills category, I'm going to put this money in the debt envelope and put it aside till next paycheck. Next, for my day-to-day expenses, first envelope is groceries. So let's go ahead and look at our tracker. I don't have anything left over this time around. However, I did have to pull money from my miscellaneous envelope to help cover grocery costs this time around. But I'm going to continue to budget $220 today. But we'll consider adding another $20 and budget $240 next time around if needed. So let's go ahead and add $220. Up next is dining out. Nope, I don't have anything left over, but I have $20 budgeted, so we'll add $20. Next is car. Oh, looks like I have $20 left over. So let's see here. Under car, I have budgeted $75. So let's go ahead and count the $75 here. So that will add in the 20. That leaves us, let's see, 50, 70, 95 all together here. So 95 under car. Next is health. Let's see, under health, yes, we had some dental appointments, so I did use $50. So we should have $20 left over. And I will budget another $20 today. So that will bring it to $40 under health. And under clothing is next. Oh yes, I did spend $50. I'm starting to see some end of the season sales go up that I definitely take advantage of. So let's see how much is in this envelope. There is 50, 70, and then I have budgeted $10. So that is going to bring it to $50, 70, $80 in clothing. Next is entertainment. I don't believe, nope. Don't have anything left over, but I have $20 budgeted for entertainment. Okay, and for miscellaneous, or as I like to call it, my life happens, which happened to be groceries this time around, but I have $20 budgeted here. So we'll add $20. Excellent. So that takes care of my day-to-day expenses. And then next is my savings category, but unfortunately I didn't have any extra or future money. So we'll just go ahead and skip down to the budget summary. And looks like it reflects 0. I don't have anything left over, so perfect. All dollars have been accounted for this pay period. So I'm going to end my video here, but I do want to encourage everyone to identify those habits keeping you poor and work on them for the next month to help reduce and or eliminate them from your life. Learn to make money work for you so that you can gain that financial freedom to live your life to the fullest. Until next time, always remember to go out there and make a difference in someone's world, and please share this video as it will help reach other individuals who are also searching for ways to change their life financially. And if you like this type of video, please click on that like, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thanks everyone. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.